it's the highlight of the year for me personally. The gathering together of leading scientists, companies, biotechs, academic groups sharing their latest research insights. The organisation is fantastic. You can speak to many companies, but it's just meeting, mixing, networking with all the participants that really makes it so special.
I enjoy the diversity that you have here in terms of not only antibody engineering, but also the application of the antibody engineering in creating the best oncology therapies. You have 1,500 people attending, and this is very, very successful. This is the must-attend conference.
I like the diversity here and to meet some antibody therapeutic specialists. So really from how to make the molecule to the clinical application, it's really a unique conference for me to attend.
You know, Sanofi being a global company, I have a lot of colleagues on this side of the ocean, and it's great to be able to meet some of them here, but actually more importantly to meet other people who've come from all over Europe. Offers a different venue as well as a different collection of colleagues in science.
Almost everyone in the field comes here. It's very interesting to hear all the ideas that people are working on with different types of biologics for immuno-oncology.
I think what's particularly interesting about PEGS this year is the start of this whole new AI track. And if you think about where we are going in this field of engineered therapies, it's giving us the power to do a lot of things in terms of biologic modification that we couldn't do before.
Everyone's really engaged and really excited about the science that they're doing and seeing what's happening in sort of the human field, because that's very translational to the animal field, and seeing what people are excited about in the human field and coming forward and how we can translate that into veterinary medicine. We've actually really enjoyed quite a lot of the bispecific, trimeric chats.
There's a lot of themes that are coming through that we think we can really share with our colleagues when we get back, so we're quite excited to do that.
It's my favorite event. It's just a lovely chance to meet my peers, meet old friends, make new ones, and of course learn what's going on in the industry.
I'm going to tell you why PEGS is great. First of all, you meet friends, and these are old friends, and then you make also new acquaintances. So there's always young people showing their science, and there is also directors or senior professionals that will tell you the whole biologics district of one large pharma, how it works in detail, what kind of models they are using, finally what kind of machine learning is new, what is new digital, how are they implementing it, how does this go into proof of concept and then into clinical trials. So it's actually a wide range of scientific talks.
One of the best ways to not only keep up with technologies, but in fact, for me personally and many of my colleagues, it's also a nice way to meet former colleagues, current colleagues, collaboration partners, and especially young scientists in the field.
That level of engagement is what brings me, because there's a lot of unexpected serendipity that you can gain from coming here to PEGS Europe.
It's probably the one meeting in Europe I really try to attend every year. Great representation of European biotechs and industry.
PEGS serves as a great platform for meeting other experts in the field. Been here several times. I think the immunotherapy track is especially interesting to me and sort of the technology we're working on, but generally the whole field of protein engineering is of great interest for us. I'm definitely planning on coming back next year.
PEGS is like the go-to conference for antibody and protein engineering, especially in Europe, right? The quality of talks here is so high, and it's a great opportunity to network with leaders in the field.
They keep making it better and better with adding new sessions and things that are more relevant to the current state of the science. So I'm very excited this year about the machine learning sessions and also the growth in the ADCs and the ADC sessions that they have added this year.
We meet a lot of people. A lot of my connections in this field come from these conferences here. A lot of good speakers, nice mix of industry and academia, which makes it even more interesting.
It's always great to come to PEGS Europe. It's the foundation for all our sales and marketing in Europe, and it becomes the center point for a lot of the activities we do here. This is where all the leaders in the field are gathered, and it's great to have this nice combination. Very good fit for our platform.
It's a really great place to get to meet clients. We get to see people we wouldn't normally in PEGS Boston. A great time talking to people in the poster sessions. A lot of great exchange of ideas. It's been a wonderful opportunity.